Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to turn on or off autofill and autocomplete in Chrome. So first of all, open Google Chrome, then head on over to the right three dots, click on it, and then click on settings. Now go on You and Google, then click on Sync and Google Services. Now scroll down and disable this Improve Search Suggestions. Now go on to autofill and passwords. Now click on payment methods and turn off both of these options. Now click on this arrow and go on to address and more and turn off this option again. If you want to turn on autofill, then you just have to do the same steps but turn the toggles on. This was a quick video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out.